Today we're making soft, fluffy keto cinnamon rolls. And the best part, they're totally gluten-free and dairy-free. These are rich, gooey, and absolutely perfect for a weekend treat, all without the sugar or carbs. In a large mixing bowl, add half a cup of water warmed to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Then add 1 teaspoon sugar and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Stir it lightly, then cover it with a clean dish towel and let it sit for 20 minutes. In a separate bowl, mix together half a cup of heavy cream substitute, a 1/3 cup of melted butter replacement, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, and 1 egg. Give it a little mix, then stir in half a cup of allulose. After 20 minutes, your yeast mixture should look like this. Now we will mix the dough. We are going to add the wet ingredients to the yeast mixture. Then with the mixer going, you're going to slowly add 4 cups of Keto Self-Rising Flour. The recipe is in the description. And when the dough is finished, you can use an extra sprinkle of the flour if needed to handle it. Then we're going to put the dough between 2 layers of parchment paper and roll it into a large rectangle. For the filling, in a small bowl, mix together half a cup of allulose and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. To prepare, we are going to brush on a 1/4 cup of melted butter replacement of your choice. Then we're going to sprinkle on the allulose and cinnamon mixture. Then roll the dough into a long roll. Then use dental floss or thread to cut the roll into 1 to 2 inch smaller rolls. And then put them onto parchment-lined baking sheet. I like using cake and bread pans for this. Then you'll want to proof them in the oven or a proofer if you have one. The oven proofing method is in the description. Then you'll bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 20 minutes until they're browned. While they're cooling, we will make the glaze. In a small saucepan, have 4 tablespoons melted butter replacement. Then add 4 ounces of cream cheese replacement. Three-quarters of a cup of allulose. And 1 teaspoon vanilla. Over medium heat, stir it until it's nice and smooth and melted. Once it's silky and smooth, spoon that over your warm cinnamon rolls. And there you have it, soft, gooey keto cinnamon rolls that are gluten-free, dairy-free, and totally irresistible. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe.